Hi everybody, thank you for watching our NSX engine disassembly video in coordination with Drifting.com. I'm Spike Chin and it's a pleasure to tear down this motor with you guys at home. Usually I'm working on the NSX motors inside the car. It's a real tight spot to do anything with, and just having it outside and tearing it down and going through the whole process has been a real fun experience for me, and I'm sure as well for you. We have a lot of really exciting projects coming up, one of which I know a lot of you will get excited about. Everybody likes the Toyota Mark IV Supra. If you don't, you need to stop this video right now. For those of you who like the Mark IV Supra, we're actually going to be throwing out the 2JZ motor, and we're going to be putting in a American V8 LS7. We have some wonderful partners on board, such as Edelbrock. They're supplying us with their E4 supercharger. It's going to help us shoot horsepower to the moon. We're shooting for about 700 to 1,000 horsepower, probably not even 700, 800 to 1,000. That's my personal goal. And in the motor, we're going to have some real wonderful products, such as slugs from CP pistons and Carrillo rods. And there's some real awesome partners that I want to thank that have been with me since day one of my racing career, my Formula Drift career, and also just working on cars. Some of them are CP Carrillo, AEM Electronics. There's K&N intake filters, BC, Brian Crowler, NGK spark plugs, fantastic plugs. I use them on all my cars. Edelbrock USA, Mala, they make things such as gaskets and pistons, turbos, ARP bolts, Sparco, raised wheels, Nexon tire, Techline performance coating, also Tilton, R-fueled racing, Wisefab, and finally a couple of other ones which are really fantastic are White Line and DC Power. They make alternators that put out 200, 300 amps. So I look forward to having you guys on board with us, with Drifting.com, with myself, Spike Chin, going forward for the reassembly video as well. We also have some couple of other really fun projects coming out, such as we're building a LQ4 or LQ9 using the iron block to make the most reliable power in a drift car for not a lot of money. And I'll show you guys how to get that motor up to 500-600 so you can do Pro-Am or just a Pro 2 level horsepower that's really, really reliable. So stay tuned for the Toyota Supra build and also the reassembly video for the NSX. And you can find me on YouTube under Spike Drift or on Instagram under Spike Drift as well.